you see the bunnies? There's 3 of them there. Oh, and they move. This is their first snowstorm. They're just playing around out here. We had a canopy set up over there to help try to keep the snow off here so they could come out and play. And yeah, it got destroyed in like a week. The snow was too much for it. It's an older canopy, but we'll have to rig something else up for them to play with. But yeah, this is them out here in the snow, running around, getting some exercise after it snowed. Close the hutch so that when we're out here, they stay out and play and not try to run back into the cage. But they sometimes go up there and try to see if it's open, and then have to turn around and come back down.